Ja Morant, the Memphis Grizzlies' dynamic but embattled point guard, is the latest star caught in a whirlwind of trade rumors as the league's deadline draws near. For the first time, the Memphis Grizzlies are reportedly open to trading the former All-Star. This represents a seismic shift in the franchise's direction and is driven by a combination of Morant's declining on-court production, persistent injury issues, and off-court controversies that have led to a reported rift with the team's new head coach. The trade market for Morant is complicated and limited. Several factors are suppressing his value. Most significant are his career-low statistics this season, including a drop in scoring and woeful shooting percentages. Furthermore, his availability has been a major concern, as he's played only 18 games this season and 77 games over the last 3 years. Combined with his sizable contract of over $87 million for the 2 years after this season, teams are approaching with caution. The recent trade that sent Trae Young to Washington for expiring contracts and no draft picks is seen as a cautionary benchmark. Despite these challenges, several teams have emerged as potential landing spots. The most discussed destination is the Miami Heat. Miami has reportedly had preliminary talks with Memphis, and Morant's camp views the Heat's culture as an attractive option. The connection has grown stronger with the recent news that Morant purchased a multi-million-dollar home in Miami. The Heat, seeking a spark for their middling offense, could build a deal around players like Tyler Herro and other salary-matching pieces. The Sacramento Kings are another frequently mentioned suitor. The team's new leadership has publicly downplayed interest in a volatile player like Morant, but league executives remain skeptical. Sacramento has the large, shorter-term contracts like those of DeMar DeRozan and Zach LaVine that could appeal to Memphis as salary filler. Other teams in the mix include the Milwaukee Bucks, who need a jolt for their playoff push, and the Toronto Raptors, who have been linked to several star players as they aim to solidify their status as contenders in the East. Morant addressed the swirling rumors for the first time while on a trip with the team to Europe. In a press conference, he gave cryptic, brief answers. When asked for his reaction, he stated he would have to live with it. When pressed on whether he expects to be with Memphis after the deadline, he deflected, asking a reporter, "I'm the only one you asked that question to?" As the deadline approaches, a trade remains uncertain but distinctly possible. The Grizzlies' reported asking price includes young players and draft picks, but the realistic return may be modest, influenced heavily by the underwhelming market for high-risk, high-reward guards. A move before February 5 would not only close a turbulent chapter in Memphis but also send shockwaves through the league, placing a former superstar in a new city with immense pressure to rediscover his game. I hope this script captures the key details for your narration. If you have more details from your script or would like me to focus on a particular aspect of the rumors, feel free to share.